We are going to review top 5 best hammock underquilt. Let's get started. List number 1. Eagle's Nest Outfitters VULCAN Underquilt Hammock. The North Carolina-based company Eagle's Nest Outfitters, E&O, is highly regarded in the hammock world. One of their most popular down hammock underquilts they offer is known as the E&O Blaze. The Blaze lives up to its name with a temperature rating between 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's able to withstand such low temperature thanks to its 750 duck-down insulation. Once you've unfolded the E&O Blaze, it will measure 6'6" long by 4 wide. When you're done using this underquilt, you can pack it up into a stuff sack that measures 14 by 7 and weighs a very light 24 ounces. On top of the Blaze's nylon shell, manufacturers have added a coating of DWR to combat light rain and drizzle. List number 2. One TIGRIS Night Protector Hammock Underquilt. The One TIGRIS Hammock Underquilt is a synthetic product that uses a polyester fill. Over the polyester filling is a 20D ripstop nylon shell as well as DWR coating. The official temperature range on One TIGRIS product is between 40 degrees and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. When One TIGRIS underquilt is fully extended, it measures 7'9" long by 4 wide. Once it's in its stuff sack, the One TIGRIS underquilt will only measure 13 by 8 and weigh an impressive 27 ounces. One minor drawback to the One TIGRIS product is that it wasn't designed to contour to your body. Without a contoured design or down insulation, the One TIGRIS could feel a bit stiff against your body. On the plus side. List number 3. Eagle's Nest Outfitters EMBER Underquilt Hammock Insulation. E&O's EMBER Underquilt is a synthetic product with a polyester fill. For durability, E&O decided to use a nylon taffeta ripstop shell on the outside of the EMBER. Regarding temperature rating, EMBER is set at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The dimensions of the unfolded EMBER are 7'11" long by 3'9" wide, which makes it one of the longest on our list. When you pack the EMBER into its stuff sack, it will only measure 15 by 8 and weigh 25 ounces. Unlike many other products on our list, there are a few color schemes to choose from with this underquilt. You can choose from a red interior/black exterior, black interior/green exterior. List number 4. Outdoor Vitals ERIE 01530 45 degree down underquilt. The Outdoor Vitals ERIE is one of the most versatile down underquilts on our list. Besides being used as an underquilt, one Outdoor Vitals ERIE product has 3 other uses. You could use the ERIE as a standard sleeping bag, a technical blanket, and a sleeping pod system. If you wanted to, you could buy a secondary to provide you with the comfort of a double sleeping bag. The Outdoor Vitals ERIE has a low temperature rating at 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The outer layer of this product is made of durable 20D ripstop nylon shell. When it's stretched out, the Outdoor Vitals ERIE measures 6'9" in length by 2'4" in width and fits most hammocks under 6'6" in its compressed state. List number 5. SNUGPACK Hammock Cocoon. The SNUGPACK Hammock Cocoon is officially considered an underquilt. It doubles as an overquilt. The unique design of this product allows users to zip the cocoon around them as if they were, well, in a cocoon. Obviously, this design feature helps users retain an extraordinary amount of heat. You'll have to use the cocoon zippers to adjust how far you want the insulation to go once you're inside. If you wanted to, you could zip up this cocoon almost all the way up, so your whole body is well insulated. This cocoon-style design helps if you're sensitive to the wind. Note, the cocoon has a mummy-style design, so there is a wider end for your shoulders and a narrower end for your feet.